Good morning, guys, and we are on the last step of our conclusion. So you should have given me at least two options, or given yourself two options to pick from. Okay? You had a writer's choice, you had the video, and then you had theme or lessons learned or feelings. Okay? So now you have to decide for yourself, what is it that makes your story end the way you want it to. And again, this isn't going to be one of those things that you could go back and you could change it in the edits, in the drafts. But let's just get to our last step here. So we have a generalized rough draft of our story. And all you have to do is just pick one of these two or three that you did and decide, okay, what would be the best in this scenario? Personally, again, I'm going to go with my this one up here. What was the character's feelings in the end? Because I personally feel that that ending was really how it actually happened. I'm not saying that I didn't learn anything. I did. That much is true. But I definitely, at the end of this narrative, personal narrative, had a distinct feeling about the whole thing. So that is what I'm going to use. Now, it would be fine and great and wonderful if I decided to use my second one or even my third option. It's all fine. It'll wrap up lovely, but my best, the way I want it to end, would be feelings. So I'm going to take that, and now you can do this a couple different ways. You can hit Control CTRL and then hold that button down and then hit C, and then come back down here and then hit Control V. Or you can go click, and then you can say copy, and then paste, Control V. Either one. You can do it with your mouse or you can do it with your keyboard. All right, so that wraps up this step. You're done for now on this step, okay? And then we get to go over here and we get to go to step 8, our rough draft. You are ready to start thinking about your rough draft. Get that sloppy copy down. Now the hard work begins. Now it's gonna require that you do some heavy lifting. Okay? The easiest part of this, you're about a little way over halfway done. You've hit the top of the hill. You're getting to the top. So let's get that rough draft going so we can start to slide down. All right, I'll see you around. If you have questions, I will be walking around, meeting with you. Remember, I probably have some sort of comments on your template. Look at some of those comments that I've given you. And if you have any questions, let me know. Again, arrange a conference with me if you need to. All right. Peace.